Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Don't make the crust too thick, around 1/4 is ideal. Make the crust a uniform size all the way to the edges so that it will cook evenly. Cook the cauliflower crust on parchment paper. Otherwise the crust will stick and break apart when you try to remove it from the pan.
Take our lead.
Cheese. Cheese not only adds flavor, but helps to make the crust sturdy. Seasoning. Finish it off with a few pinches of seasoning. I keep it simple with salt, oregano, and garlic powder, but you can go as crazy as you want here.
Take our lead.
Cauliflower pizza crust is a delicious gluten-free, low-carb and keto pizza recipe. It's a simple blend of cauliflower, eggs, cheese, and a few spices that's flattened and baked into a golden crust. Freeze it for later or top it off with fresh ingredients for a healthy dinner recipe.
Take our lead.
Cooking instructions. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Conventional oven recommended. Remove crust from box, overwrap, and cardboard. Layer crust with your favorite toppings. Cook topped crust directly on the middle rack, no pan needed. Until cheese is golden brown and crust is crispy, typically 12 to 15 minutes.
Take our lead.
It all comes down to the other ingredients. There's a healthy sounding trend in the supermarket. Pizza crusts made of cauliflower. Claims include, only 3 net carbs per serving, and, just 80 calories per slice. It's true that a crust made with a healthy veggie might be a better choice than one of refined white flour.
Take our lead.
Cooking directions. Keep your Caulipower crust frozen as you preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 13 to 15 minutes or until crust is crispy and golden brown. Product must be cooked thoroughly to 160 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety and quality.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.